We're here at Cabo San Lucas. She having take the... Yeah, makikita mo dyan mamaya, oh. Dami isda, oh.
Okay,
Sarap mamingwit pala dito, oh.
amigos, no, these guys are closer beside. Yeah, my circle right here on the top, please. So, good morning, guys. How do
Morning.
you feel today? Good? Perfect. I know. So, my amigos, welcome to Cabo San Lucas. Welcome to Cabo Adventure. And welcome to my office. It's the Cabo Adventure number 6.
Number
This
6.
beautiful baby, my amigos, it's a Selvo Veneto Oceanis 50 foot long. Do you like, guys? See? Perfect. So now let me tell you myself. I am Israel. Or Easy. What is it for you? Today, guys, I'm here safe. Where? DJ, bartender, plumber, bar massage. The most important, your best friend. Okay? Now, guys, I have to give you some little points about it. The first point, the most important for everybody. We are located the life jackets on board. So the life jacket, guys, are located down below this. Right here. So please, any emergency, everybody can right